Okay, there is a ring. I place the ring on the floor. Okay, so ring obviously have the center of mass or center. I take enough. Now what I did is I applied a force here on this body. The radius is r. Okay. Now for a ring, find acceleration. What is this A? Acceleration of your center of mass or acceleration in translatory motion. A. If I use alpha, then find A. Okay. I'm giving you a condition. Assume this is your problem. How do we do it? A thin ring of radius r and mass n. A thin ring of radius r and mass n is placed on a rough horizontal floor. A thin ring of mass m and radius r is placed on a rough horizontal floor. A horizontal force F, horizontal force F is applied as shown in figure. Is applied as shown. Is applied as shown in figure. Find acceleration and friction acting on the body. Find acceleration and friction acting on the body. Okay. So this is how your diagram is. Whenever you see a loading, obviously, assume Q loading. Assume Q loading. Assume Q loading. What is the first thing we will do when we see like this? Huh? Don't let me tell you. What is the first thing you will do when you look at this? What's the mind? Okay. Now, is the body stationary? No. So, definitely it will have an acceleration. Correct? So, sigma fx will it be equal to 0? No. So, now what you will take is for this F net in x direction. In x direction is going or in y direction? F net in y direction. Net torque understood? Whenever the rotation and translation comes, however the point be coming down on a inclined plane also. Inclined plane, what will you do? Inclined plane, what will you do? mg cos normal, mg sin frictional force. Why you are thinking so much? It's easy only, no? Whenever the body is inclined, immediately mg cos, mg sin. Understood? For this, tell me what should we do? He's telling it's a thin ring. If force is applied like this, F is in I direction, your R is in J direction. So your torque will be in what direction? Minus K direction. R bar cross F bar, not F bar cross R bar. Okay. So if this is your axis of rotation, because X, Y, K, X, Y, and Z, three-dimensional body, I, J, K. So your axis of rotation will be like this. Understand? So your body, this body will be trying to rotate like this. It will rotate with this axis of rotation. A thin ring, axis of rotation, perpendicular to the plane of the body rotating. What is your I? Open your moment of inertia formulas. Thin ring is a ring of mass and your axis of rotation is perpendicular to the plane. What is your moment of inertia? What is your I? Right? Now see, I said it's a rough horizontal flow. Okay? Now let us take I don't know frictional direction. Okay? I'm just assuming direction to be backward. With the center, there is a torque acting. Right? Torque is coming because of what? Yes or no? Correct? So first use this. F net is equal to mass into acceleration. What are your net forces acting in your external? Yes. So I'm taking my sign convention. So I'm taking right hand side as positive, upward as positive. Okay. And torque, when it comes to torque, counterclockwise as positive, clockwise as negative. Okay. So now tell me what are the forces acting in your x direction? F and frictional force. So F is in positive x direction. Frictional force is in F net x. I wrote the equation. F net y. What are the forces in y direction? Huh? No force. Normal force. T will be equal to mg acting downwards. Normal force acting upwards. Yes or no? Torque. Torque is being created with your center point as your correct. So torque is rotating like this. What is your torque formula? I alpha, okay, but what normal torque? F bar, right? F clockwise or counterclockwise? Clockwise, right? So this I'm writing it now. F into R. Frictional force. Clockwise, right? Plus F into, but this friction is below the point of reference. Below it will be is equal to I alpha, right? You got three equations. Assume if I didn't give you pure Donic condition, what will you do now? I asked you to find acceleration, not alpha, acceleration. You can't do anything, right? Can you do anything? right? So when I gave you Q rolling, your acceleration is equal to alpha is equal to so R taken common F minus F is equal to M R squared into A by okay, so capital R. So I take capital R only. This R goes like this. F minus F is equal to equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Right? Now you will understand F minus F is equal to MA, F minus F is equal to MA. Right? If you add, you will again get F minus F is equal to MA only. So from this, did you understand that the frictional direction force text which we have taken is wrong? So because we are unable to solve it, we can't take an impulse. Right? So your frictional force is not in this direction. Your frictional force is in this direction. Okay? Now you do it. This becomes F plus F. Right? And now we'll get F and F gets cancelled. 2F is equal to 2MA. F is equal to MA. Understood? Tomorrow we'll solve problems on
Everybody please rejoin.